Here are step-by-step instructions to draw a sunflower. Step 1. Draw the center of the sunflower. Start by drawing a small circle in the center of your paper or canvas. This will be the center of the sunflower, where the seeds will be. Step 2. Draw the petals around the center circle. Draw several large petals radiating outward in a circular pattern. Sunflower petals are long and slightly pointy at the ends. You can draw around 12 to 16 petals, depending on how full you want your sunflower to look. Step 3. Add details to the petals. Draw some lines on each petal to give them texture and make them look more realistic. Sunflower petals have veins running along their length. Step 4. Draw the leaves. Next, draw 2 large leaves at the bottom of the sunflower. The leaves are usually heart-shaped with a slightly jagged edge. Step 5. Add stem and additional leaves, optional. Draw a long stem extending downward from the leaves. You can also add a few more leaves along the stem if you like. Step 6. Color your sunflower. Sunflowers are known for their vibrant yellow petals and dark centers. You can use colored pencils, markers, or paint to bring your sunflower to life.